Hey guys, so today in this video, I will be teaching you how to get a modded version of Kingshot for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm broke, but when I press this button, I can activate unlimited gems. So I just turned up the gems all the way. So let's see if they start going up. And then I'm going to show you how to download this Kingshot mod so you can get unlimited gems too. So as you can see, I got 700 gems right now. So let's see if this goes up. And then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, there go the gems. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So it's super cool. So let's just give it a second for this to load up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download the Kingshot mod. So I'm pretty sure all we have to do is go to this website, which is called matrixmods.com. So let me just type it in. So once you're on this site, guys, just type in Kingshot into the search bar and you should see the game. So press on it, press download. Now, before this finishes, there is going to be a verification where you need to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. So it's 100% for free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it's going to say missing files or something. So you need to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and then you will have the Kingshot mod. So for instance, Match to Win says down and reach level 11. So it's like a game. So I just download this and reach level 11. So that's pretty easy. You know, obviously they're not all going to be games, but you just want to go ahead and run this right here, as you can see. And then we go back to the list, and we've got TikTok, which says down and run for 30 seconds. Mode Casino. This one says follow instructions on the next page, install the app, and open it. So that's how to get Kingshot mod for your device 2026. So I'm going to go to the App Store and just show you guys how expensive it is. So let me just type it in right here. So you do not need the game installed because this is a separate modded version. But let me just type it in. So here's the game, and then you go down to the in-app purchases. And as you can see, it's super expensive. So if you guys want to pay, that's up to you. But chances are, if you're watching this video, you're more involved in the modded community. So that's how to get Kingshot mod for your device. Super cool. So this works in 2026. So if you guys are tired of being broke on Kingshot, be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super cool. And we do have the anti-ban there, so that is great. So yeah, guys, I've always looked into this type of stuff, trying to find a Kingshot mod that works, but you know, I never could really find one. So this is great for me. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get Kingshot mod for your device so you can get unlimited gems. So it's super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you later. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it because this is super awesome. So there's no jailbreaking or computers involved in this method, which is very cool. So you guys can just straight up do it. So that's how I get Kingshot mod for your device so you can get unlimited gems. So that's crazy, guys. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get more Kingshot mods and stuff. But yeah, it's just super cool. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I haven't had any problems. So yeah, that's crazy stuff, guys. So Kingshot mod is yours. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys. And there you go. So free money in Kingshot is yours. So enjoy it, guys. This is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this actually works and it's just so mind-blowing. But yeah, have fun, guys. Peace out, my squad.